Wait, please, Your Lordship. So I'm seeking the urgent listing of a matter on Monday. The matter concerns the cancellation of anticipatory bail granted by the Supreme Court. It has been cancelled by the District and Session Judge of Nangpa.
Bail matters.
Bail matters.
Bail matters. You have to mention before the other court. This court doesn't have any.
Now, Your Lordship,
This is not in the roster of this court.
we've checked the roster, Your Lordship, but then the concerned court is not. It's on leave today as well.
You have to then place it before registry. You file it. Cannot. This you have seen the notification. Yesterday's notification. Any urgent matters of court number 3 has to be mentioned before court number 2. You have not seen the yesterday's notification.
I've not seen.
Just see it, if there is it. Just cannot make a mention here.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5.
Please, Your Lordship.
Item number 5, yes.
Yes, I have an objection, my lord. Last occasion, respondent on 4 and 5 and respondent on 1 to 3, they are giving assurance that they will produce the case record. Till now also, they have not produced. An order by this court is passed in the month of May, my lord, this year.
What
Lordship,
is your prayer?
Lordship, the strike in the district council is recently over, Your Lordship. So
It is open,
grant us
functioning
2 weeks time,
normally,
Your
my
Lordship.
lord.
1 week only. What do you want?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Now, once district council will function, what is the difficulty in obtaining the file? 1 week. Yes, Mr. Hazarika's objection. Yes, on prayer made by Ms. Dakhal, London Council appearing for.
Respondent 1 to 3, Your Lordship.
1 week's time is granted for production of related record. Please take on. Yes. This was pending for.
Yes,
production
my
of-
lord. Yes, my lord. Matter has been heard in details.
Hard, but then it's hard quite sometimes you actually have
Yes,
to refresh the quote again.
Yes. Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 13, Lordship. Due to personal difficulties, Lordship, up to 2 weeks, Lordship.
It's the other side.
What do we have for
Yes.
the statement?
Any objection?
No objection.
These are all 21 matters. This writ petition of 2021 is before this court.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, on prayer made by Ms. G.C. Marak, London Council appearing for the petitioner, not objected to by London Council appearing for the state respondents. This is matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Yes.
Highly blessed,
All
Lordship.
right.
Please, my lords, I beg to mention item number 16. Lordships, Mr. P.K. Bora has informed us that he's unwell. He has had,
You are
Sir.
appearing for,
for the state,
so can you make a prayer on his behalf?
he has informed us.
Please inform me, Your Lordship, that he was hospitalized is under medical treatment presently, Your Lordship.
It is
And for
reported,
respondent number 4, Your
it is
Lordship.
reported that the petitioner who is appearing person is hospitalized for medical treatment. The matter as such stands urgent for 3 weeks.
Grateful, Your Honor.
May I please, Your Lord?
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Your Lordship, on behalf of Senior Counsel, Mr. S. Chakrabarty, Your Lordship.
Oh, Mr. Chakrabarty.
Yes, Your Lordship.
When do you want it?
After 3
Mr.
weeks.
Chakrabarty is on period.
My lord,
Yes,
yes.
Lordship.
May the matter come after 3 weeks, my lord.
After 3 weeks, Lordship.
This is on prayer. On prayer made by London Council appearing on behalf of Mr. S. Chakrabarty. senior counsel appearing for the petitioner, comma, who is stated to be on bereavement. The matter stands adjourned. List of 3 weeks. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 22, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I'm seeking for 2 weeks' time, my lord, for this matter.
No objection, Your Lordship.
These are POXO matters.
Yes, Your
Yes, my lord.
Not connected to the division bench.
No, Your Lordship.
On prayer of the petitioner, list of 2 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, that this matter may come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
This is another matter we do not know. When you intend to close this matter?
They have to file their written submission.
Now they see that there is a lapse of time in between.
Yes.
Everything has gone out of the memory of the court.
I am ready, Your Lordship, but they are taking time.
That is after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Lordship, 2 weeks.
On prayer of the petition, not objected to by Mr. Karni, learned additional senior PP, list of 2 weeks. This is
They have been taking time again and again.
This is something not very clear. All right.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 14 and 15, connected matters, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this matter is pending before the Honorable Supreme Court and it's yet to be disposed, Your Lordship.
14 and 15.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Is it correct?
Lordship, yes, against the judgment of the division bench, they have.
So this is
They went to
this is connected with those matters.
Lordship, it arising out of because their promotion have been set aside by the division bench.
So decision of the apex
So
court.
against that, Your Lordship, they went to court.
So decision there will have a bearing on this.
Yes, it will have.
So this has been earlier also. You have this thing has been the dependency of the matter before apex court has been recorded by
Yes, Your
apex court
Lordship.
earlier also.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Then you just check the last order. When do we want it to be listed?
It will come after 8 weeks. 8 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
Come after 6 weeks or 8 weeks.
6 weeks or 8 weeks?
It will be 8 weeks.
When
Your
this matter before apex court is
Lordship. Lordship, that also
likely to come?
only that liberty may be granted as and when the matter is disposed in the
That
Supreme
remains always. Liberty is always there, isn't it? It is not required to, is it? Liberty to mention always remains.
Let it come after 6 weeks, then, Your Lordship.
Okay, just say the parties submit that. You just check the last order. The connected matter pending before the apex court is yet to be disposed of.
Very much,
We
Your
have the-
Lordship.
Obliged.
This is a matter after 6 weeks. Okay. Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship?
Make it 6 weeks. Yes.
I beg to mention item number 19, Your Lordship. The matter may kindly come up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
You have no objection. 3 weeks. All right.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying for item number 4. If the matter can come up on Monday, my lord.
Monday, we do not know. Monday may be.
A week then, my lord.
Monday, perhaps there are some division bench matters where this court is a part.
All right, my lord. A week then, my lord.
With the other side.
No objection, Your Lordship.
You are not visible, Mr. Nongre.
Your Lordship, some technical snack, Your Lordship.
It is not because you do not want to show your face.
Not that, Your Lordship.
Anyway, okay, just say one prayer by Mr. Thank you. Jan, thank you, Lord Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Not objected to Lord Counsel for the respondents. List after 1 week will be all right. After 1 week. After then, 2 weeks it will go after
2 weeks. I'm obliged, my lord. Much obliged.
Obliged.
I please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7, Lordship. Pray for 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Right, same order. No objection by the respondent. Yes.
I'll oblige.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 10, Lordship. 10. Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time on this matter.
My lord, no objection.
That is that bill, electricity bill.
Yes, my lord, they were supposed to come up with some
Some exemption on the basis
My lord,
of.
yes, Lordship has put a query which they have to examine and place before Lordship also. Some notification whether they fall under that particular scheme or not.
The problem is that, you see, madam, the thing is that once a matter is
My lord,
heard,
yes.
and then there is adjournment, thereafter the court forgets everything. And that is. This is also write the same order. 2 weeks.
Lordship.
No objection by the respondent. Yes.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 11, Lordship. 11 and 12 are
These are
connected,
connected
Lordships.
matters.
No
11 and 12.
No. See, 12 and 11 and 12 also just write the same. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23.
Anything left on the list?
23. Similar matters pending before the division bench.
Boxer.
Yes.
Lordship, that
Criminal
come after
petition.
6 weeks, Your Lordship.
6 weeks is too long. 4 weeks.
When it's those matter will be.
That is for you who do not know if state doesn't have the desire, it is for the state to pursue that matter. There are several things pending.
Lordship, yes. Will come after 6 weeks.
See,
Then we'll say.
who should be prosecuted, who should not be, that is the duty of the state to say.
But only thing here, there is no stay and the trial is going on.
That is so far as that case is concerned. But
Lordship,
then
yes.
there are many other
But
matters.
so far
pertaining.
the main issue is concerned, yes.
No, but then will it be proper for this court to proceed once the court has deferred with the opinion, and so long that is decided, there exists a
Certainly.
judgment of coordinate bench. This court will be bound by that only.
Lordship, then let it come after 6 weeks.
It will come after 4 weeks. 4 weeks.
4 weeks, Lordship, yes.
4 weeks.
Apply, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, your Lordship? I beg to
More
mention.
remains in the list. Yes, which item?
Item 17 and 18, your Lordship. It's a similar matter.
This is the matter in which the issue is pending. Issue is pending for DB.
Division bench. This is
Yes.
also division bench.
This one also.
Okay. Same order, 4 weeks.
Are you obliged, Lordship?
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, my Lord, on behalf of Mr. N. Sinkon. Can you have the matter after 2 weeks, my Lord? My Lord, my apologies,
Item
my
number
Lord.
8.
My apologies, my Lord. It's 21, my Lord.
Yes. Mr. Khera is.
My lord, the matter has got a very limited thing in it. It's on, we have challenged the passing of the order under 311 for recalling of a witness, where we said it has been done in a
Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 20, Your Lordship.
Item?
20, Your Lordship. We have already informed the opposite party also, Your Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
That is that same that district
Yes, Your
council.
Lordship, this is in respect of
Yes, Your
Lordship. Of the assistant.
That is not with
justice.
regard to that presiding officer and assistant judge and something. Not.
Yes, it is the.
That issue is there in Mr. Paske.
This is also another matter in respect of that. Only, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
not. Yes.
This won't have that issue, Your Lordship.
Anyway, this is. When do you want it?
After 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Is it all right with you, Mr. Paske?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks. Yes.
Hello, bless Your Lordship.
Ably obliged, Your Lordship.
Supplementary cost list, item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
So by way of this criminal petition, the present petitioner approached this honorable court for quashing of a criminal proceeding initiated by the respondent number 2 herein against the present petitioner which is presently pending before the Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class Tura, and order of cognizance also in the said case, order dated 28/7/2023, passed by the.
Cognizance was taken in 2023.
We received the summon in the last part of 2024, first part of 2024, like that. We are resident of Guwahati, and case is presently pending in Tura. Lordship, what happened actually here, the respondent number 2, the allegation of the respondent number 2 is that he entrusted some renovation work to install a modular kitchen by the company or the firm of the present petitioner, and he paid some amount, and thereafter what happened, the allegation is that the respondent number present petitioner did not complete the entire work as per his agreement or as per their, and therefore he filed this case under section 200 of the
You
CR.
received the money, please. You have received the money.
Yes. We received the money, we have completed the work also, but the allegation after 2 years he filed the case before
When
the
this work was allotted to you?
installation of a modular kitchen along with some dishwashers and for kitchens, some fittings.
This work was supposed to be executed when?
In 2020, and we have completed it also. And allegation is that we have not completed the entire work, but he has admitted that yes, we have completed part of the work also. So the cognizance is taken in the year 2020 under 2 sections, my lord, under 406 IPC and 420. And it's a settled position of law that both the sections are antithetical to each other.
Why?
It's a Supreme Court several judgments, Lordship.
You want to say
And
the 406 and 420 will not lie together?
The Supreme Court says that both are antithetical to each other and cannot coexist. And simply, second is that the dispute between the parties is civil in nature, my lord.
Why is the decision of the Apex Court 406, 420? Just show us. Is it always? Is it made a law when it is only on the basis of certain facts?
May I get to the page number, para number 20. I'm so sorry. So sorry.
Para number?
20 and 21, my lord, is there. '21 is there. May I read, my lord?
Yes, please.
Para number 21. May I read, my lord?
See, that is on the basis of the particular facts and situation of that case.
True, lordship.
So that is not a proposition which is to be applied equally on case. That is why court was a bit surprised by your submission.
My respectful submission before lordship is that
that in the present facts and circumstances, 406 and 420 will not lie.
One submission is that, and second is that the purely civil in nature allegations. So he could have approached the competent civil court to redress his given.
If you say something purely civil in nature,
yes,
that means there is no criminal element involved in it. Otherwise, in a matter, if certain part is civil in nature, there can be criminal proceeding also.
And the thing is that, my lord, from the bare perusal of the complaint petition also, he has not primarily satisfied on a trial court with some documents to show that whether there is any agreement, he has not annexed anything. There is no any such type of documents to prove that I have not completed the work, and he has not even annexed any document to show that he has paid the entire money. But we are not disputing that.
All matters of evidence.
Yes, we are not disputing that, my lord. We received the money, we completed the work. After 2 years of completion, he approached the court. In a similar type of case, my lord, your lordship passes judgment in Deepak Mittal versus Youth Siemens Limited. These sections are involved. After belatedly he approached the court, initially they initiated a case of NIAC, thereafter the criminal case. So this lordship was placed to dismiss the case under 482 CRPC.
This court was?
Lordship judgment.
Mr. Khan?
Sorry.
Lordship, in so far as this case is concerned, state is a formal party. Because there's a CR case.
Oh, okay, this is not out of
Not
So why state is a party then? What is the requirement of state being made a party here?
I'm sorry, Lordship. Actually, it's a usual practice in our Guwahati High Court. When there is a criminal case or something like, even in DV case also, between two parties, if it is, we file an appeal before the session judge or before the Honorable Guwahati High Court, we made a state as a formal party.
No, but it is not
I do not
required.
know about the
what
practice
role
of
state
this.
has to play here?
It's a CR
It's a
complaint
CRPC
case under
criminal
section
case.
Yes,
200
yes.
of the CR.
If this Honorable Lordship strike out the name of the, then I have nothing to say.
No,
Because-
you just say as why should we retain him? What prayer you have against state? What role state is played?
No, no,
Otherwise,
no role. As a formal party, we just.
What do you want? You want it to be struck off?
As a formal party, Lordship.
Yes.
Let
Okay, we'll issue notice.
And
Let
I
the
have an
notice go
interim
to-
prayer also. Because
Interim prayer
what
after so.
Lordship may kindly see the last
CRPC
order.
of
The
2022.
next date is on 14th. It is the direction to appear the accused person before the court. So if
You have not entered appearance till now. From
We have-
2024, 25.
we
last
appeared,
order.
we appeared before through our advocate before the trial court, and on last date only the honorable court insisted to perform physical appearance of the accused person. Otherwise, on 3 or 4 dates, Lordship, I have annexed
But
all
then,
orders.
see, you should seek exemption only after making personal appearance. Once you make appear, then thereafter you seek exemption from personal appearance. Otherwise, it should not be something like that that they do not appear from the very first instance.
My prayer before Lordship is that
At least one
if
should
the case is
appear.
pending before this honorable court,
Where is the last order?
page number 52, my lord. It's a small order.
Yes. Page 50?
52, 52. Last page, Lord, of my petition. The last order. It's next date is on 14th of October, next week, Lordship, probably Tuesday.
Anyway, heard, Mr.
P.P. Borthakur.
Whatever, Lone Counsel to the petitioner. Issue notice. Returnable in 3 weeks.
No, exactly.
Mr. Khan, London AG. Appearing for the state respondent submits that state has been made a party without any basis as the matter arises out of a complaint case and state has no role to play. The learned counsel for the petitioner also does not insist that it should remain as a party in the present criminal petition, and hence the state respondent is struck off from the area of party. Statement has been struck out as a respondent from the area of parties. There is no problem with that. State has nothing to do.
Lordship,
And what we
as
say?
your Lordship, please.
So and so issue notice. Okay. As for the remaining respondent, the petitioner shall take steps for service within 2 days. Step. Paragraph. Part Ladder Council of the interim prayer. Interim prayer of stay of CR case number
34 of 2022.
pending before the Judicial Magistrate First Class, West Garo Hills
Tura.
District, Tura. See it from the records, case number and all. Step. it is submitted that the dispute raised in the criminal case by the respondent is purely of civil nature. And the complaint has been filed apparently to harass the petitioner without any justifiable cause. The learned counsel submits that service of the petitioner was utilized by the respondent for installation of one
modular kitchen in the residence of respondent number 2
on payment of necessary charges, which was done by the complainant. Oh, sorry, was done by the which was completed by the petition. But the respondent what was the grievance in the thing? What was the grievance of the respondent? If you have
Lordship, may
completed,
kindly
then
see the last portion of his prayer in page number 20. Is a prayer.
if you say that you have done, you performed your
Yes,
thing,
Lordship, I have completed.
then why should he?
You want to refund the entire money? Admittedly, I have installed.
Page 20.
Lordship, it's a prayer portion, my Lord. It is the prayer of the complainant in his complaint petition.
Okay. Can this prayer be made in a criminal case? What you said? But but the respondent, despite completion of work, he is trying to get a refund of the entire amount from the petitioner, and in furtherance to that, has filed the criminal case at Tura. Stop. It is also the submission of our counsel that the provision of law has not been followed insofar as the taking of cognizance and issuance of process in the matter is concerned. Stop. Give a paragraph from the submission made by the London Council and on perusal of material on record. It appears that the prayer has been made in the complaint petition by the respondent to seek a refund of money paid to the petitioner. Stop. Stop. Such prayer prima facie, such prayer, prima facie being not tenable in criminal law, does not lay foundation in a criminal proceeding. Stop. Hence, it is deemed appropriate at this stage to suspend the further proceeding of CR case number so and so, pending in so and so, till the irreturnable date. List after 3 weeks.
Oblige, Lordship.
To take steps.
Yes, Lordship, always.
Lady Costless, item number 1.
Yes.
My lord, we'll require 2 weeks time to file our counter. It's the second time we are seeking time.
For rejoinder, you have to file
Rejoinder,
rejoinder.
my lord. It's the second time we are seeking time. 2 weeks, please.
This is a new case, 2025 case.
My lord.
Mr. Shulai, you filed. You are.
No,
appearing-
state will not file, Your Lordship.
The complainant has filed, my lord, the counter affidavit.
There is a private respondent here.
My lord.
Is not appearing.
They have filed their counter affidavit. Today they have
But
not
then-
appeared,
no,
but
they are
they have been
absent
appearing.
today.
They have been appearing.
Okay, and say Mr. Kerala Learned Counsel is present on your petition. Mr. Shulai along with so and so is also present on behalf of the respondent number 1. Stop. There is no appearance on behalf of the respondent number 2. Give a paragraph. Then as paid for by Learned Counsel for the petitioner. 2 weeks time is granted for filing a rejoinder to the petitioner opposition of the respondent number 2. List of. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Item number 2.
Your Lordship, in this matter, we are supposed to file surveys, but then it cannot be done because we have not received yet, Your Lordship.
So you have not obtained the status.
Not yet.
So
we
you
have.
obtain and then you will file.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So
Because
how much
we have
time? How much more time you need?
2 weeks, Your Lordship. Because from the registry only, they said they have not
See,
received.
this has been this report has to come through Laman police station.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So that is not.
We had seen a record.
Yes.
May it please, Lordship.
Yes.
This matter was also heard on the last occasion.
You have to tell.
Certain,
You have to
just
start afresh.
Yes, yes. But in this case, what has happened that
Have you submitted any written notes of argument? No.
I haven't submitted. Maybe the court wants, because some complicated issues came up, and the court had put certain queries on the last
See,
question.
every time you
Yeah.
take up the hearing,
Yes, sir.
some questions will come up. It
Yes,
may
sir.
not be the same question.
Correct.
There may be different questions.
Correct. That's true. But those
If you
queries,
submit a note, actually, generally, if it remains the record,
Sir.
at least that helps the court to regain the points. If
Sir.
this matter is argued,
Sir.
you see, like on session wise, or maybe you see, like on different dates. Yes. Anyway, just tell us in a nutshell what is the case about.
in a nutshell, that here the petitioner, he was appointed as the assistant teacher with the Kunarghati school. He was appointed as a teacher, assistant teacher.
That is a aided school.
In fact,
Granted aid school.
it is not a granted, it comes on SSA.
SSA.
SSA. So thereafter what had happened, he was appointed. I would just come.
You just tell us the story first. We'll just
The story
go to
is that
relevant first.
he was-
Just let us just appreciate.
He was appointed
As a teacher.
as a teacher
Under the SSS scheme.
as a school, and then
The SSS scheme comes with certain sanction posts.
certain section
So
posts.
how many sanction posts were there in the school?
Generally, sanctions posts as per the rule is 3. Yeah.
And
Generally,
then, what are the posts for which those sanction posts
they are
are
the
there?
post for English, science and maths, if I'm
So,
not mistaken.
which year that was?
English.
Which year he was appointed?
He was appointed in the year 2010, 1st April 2010,
As a
as an assistant teacher.
which subject?
He was a language teacher. He was a language
So
teacher.
that was language teacher was not a sanctioned teacher under
In-
SSS scheme.
It was, in fact, he was appointed on a contractual basis for 59 days, and it was countersigned by the.
So that
on
is,
the-
so how do you say he's been appointed in a sanction post under SSA?
He was initially appointed for 59 days.
Okay.
Initially appointed in the school, and in due course of time, he had completed the induction training. The formal training is required. After completion of his training, then there was he was verbally asked to join the school, and then subsequently he was asked. He was transferred. He was transferred by. He was asked to. He was transferred to the other school, that is Malidas Para.
Now,
He
your
was transferred
appointment was by the managing committee.
Yes, appointment was by the
And
manager.
then there is subsequent approval of that by.
Yes, that is at page 12, page 15.
Okay, so just where is your initial appointment?
My initial appointment is at. In fact, it is at page 14. Page 14 by the managing committee.
Mr. Hazarika is appearing for the state.
State.
Yes, ma'am. And Mr. Chanda is for the.
I am appearing for the school.
Okay. School means
Managing
7.
committee.
7.
7.
And who is appearing for 9?
7 and 9%.
7 and 9.
Who is 9? Is made by party by name.
Lordship, the private respondent.
Private He is respondent. what? He is
He is
who-
serving. He is there in the school at present. Lordship.
He is a teacher. So you are appearing for the managing committee as well as for the teacher.
Yes, Lordship.
And you will appear for SO number 126.
So I was appointed. Thereafter, pursuant to my appointment at page 15, it's mentioned that it was on the contractual basis, that is.
See, it is not an appointment.
Yes.
It's to engage you.
In fact, they have mentioned here that you are appointed as assistant teacher
Yes, that is that shows the temporary status
appointment, and subsequently.
And down below you have signed.
Yes,
the agreement.
and then it was also countersigned by the respondent embassy, that is district.
You are okay. Who are these other signatories there?
They are the witness.
Why their signatures are taken there?
No.
Signed on the day or so, before witnesses. Okay.
Before the witnesses. And then thereafter at page 16.
Now, okay, yes.
Page 16. That he joined the Konarghati school. And after joining, he was sent to induction for induction training. That is at page 17.
Okay.
After completing my induction training, thereafter, what had happened that I was verbally asked.
What is that induction training? What training is provided there?
The induction training basically is a training to a sort of training which provides the teachers some specialized training so that they can teach efficiently.
But then why it is named as induction training?
They have mentioned
That
here.
is, meaning thereby that it's a training for the beginners. Those who are
So to say.
inducted recently,
Yes.
well, probably they are
Probably.
given
For the beginners.
For the beginners.
the basic training.
Basic training. It's a basic training.
1 week. Like
Where is your name? Here?
My name is at page 17.
Yes.
The serial number is not given right below. That is Salim Khan. After 1, 2, 3.
Which row? First row or second row?
Second.
Second row.
12, 13, 15.
7 from the bottom. 7 from the bottom.
From the bottom.
Muhammad Salim Mia Khan.
Yes, Salim Khan.
Oh, acha, Mia is cancelled and Khan is written by hand.
It's
So who has done it?
There's a mistake.
Who did the correction?
In fact, we of course we are oblivious of this situation, but
Yes, Mr. Chando, is it originally like this or it is a correction?
That's what.
We don't know the.
Because
No, it will have a bearing.
Correct.
We must ensure that no document is manipulated.
And there is no
It is issued by the Office of the Cluster Resource.
CRC.
So, Mr. But then you know it. This is official document, isn't it?
I think
You must be having a copy of this in your office, no?
government will be.
Government lordship.
Yes. Is there any correction? Who corrected it, Mr. Hajarika? That Mia has been
Yes.
cancelled and then Khan has been written there.
it is a cluster resource center, my lord, Mahindra.
No, but then who corrected it? There is no initial there.
Oh yes, that is
By respondent number
it
6.
is not there.
Then
This letter has been
how do
issued.
we know that is the name of the petitioner? Anyway, let us see which way things goes. Then we will come back.
Okay.
Yes.
Then thereafter,
The next page is your certificate. After completion, you have
yeah,
been given.
certificate is
Yes.
certificate is there. My certificate is there, and then thereafter, I was verbally asked by the respondent number 6, that is CSC. I was verbally asked for transfer to other school, that is Malidas Para. I was verbally transferred. I was transferred.
On your request.
In the sense that
Okay. Anyway, whatever it is, the fact remains
So-
you were transferred. When you were transferred?
I was transferred. Basically, it is mentioned that in at page 19 and 66 that there is a letter that is by the admissives. That is, it speaks about the in evidence for instance something. He has been doing his duty till 1st June to 16th August. So I was transferred verbally, and I was in the school for the last 5.
In a village
After working.
Doing his duties till date.
Verbally.
Of State school. State school means which school?
The Malidas Paras.
How do we know?
Other school. It is mentioned.
Where?
Because this letter has been issued by this headmistress Malidas
There is
Para.
an assumption on the letter of this,
Yeah.
but then this certificate seems to
But
be
presently I am in
very
Malidas.
strange.
Yes, presently I am working in Malidas Paras.
Just because this certificate is given on the letterhead of something, do we understand the no name of the school is there? He said in the said school. What it mean by said school?
Because this letter has been issued by the Malidas Para. Letter under the signature of the.
So that becomes the purpose of mentioning said school.
No, but I don't think so. They dispute for that also. Presently is Malidas.
Lordship, what has happened
Yes.
is
There's-
petitioner
yeah.
on his own volition had joined the respondent school.
See, his appointment, original appointment,
Yes, Lordship.
so far as the document is concerned, was for 59 days.
Lordship.
Now, after that 59 days, what happened to the status of his appointment?
Lordship, what had happened is he was there in my school for a period of 1 year. After that, Lordship, without any
On what basis?
contractual basis, Lordship, purely contractual.
So after 59 days, he continued on contractual basis.
Till 1 year, for a period of 1 year, and thereafter,
See,
Lordship,
first 59 days was under SSA.
Lordship.
If you see by the letter, though
Lordship,
there is
if
no
you-
mention,
If you go by the letter, okay, Lordship.
and thereafter on contractual basis.
Lordship. Because to that effect,
Now that part you admit.
Lordship,
There is no document to say
Lordship.
that he was appointed. You have not issued any fresh appointment letter
No, Lordship. We have not.
appointing him on contractual basis.
No,
Yes.
Lordship.
Yes.
In fact, after the completion of 1 year, Lordship, he on his own volition, he went and joined the respondent school, that is Maldispara school, and there was no complaint whatsoever. It is only in the year 2016, Lordship, suddenly he comes and raises a complaint that I was transferred verbally, and now they are not taking me back to the my school, Lordship.
Whereas there is no document to show that he has
no
been
document,
transferred.
Lordship. In fact, the state respondents, they clearly, outrightly deny that there is any provision for transfer, and it was he himself, Lordship, who has gone to the other school and is teaching there, Lordship.
So what is the dispute now here? He wants to come back to
He
this.
wants to
My
come back,
lord,
Lordship.
my only thing is that I want to come back because
You wanted to come back in which year? 2016?
My
Which year you wanted to come back to the school?
I wanted to come back. Yes, 2016.
Which year you went to the other school?
That is, I went 2011.
2011. So 1 year after?
1 year after.
As submitted by Mr.
Yes,
Khan.
because the fact remains that.
No, but then now, when you went to that thing,
Yes, my lord.
whether you were in regular appointment in that school, which lab?
Because what has happened that if your my lord comes to the annexure, that is page 20A, here, page 20 and A. Now the respondent number 6, that is cluster resource committee, they had taken out the list of sanctioned post teacher under Mahendraganj, whereby
Of
there were
which year? Sanctioned teacher of which year?
which year, that is 2009 and 10. 2009 and 10.
2009, you were not there at all.
No, there were this was the regarding the list of list of yes.
List you are referring to which page?
Page is page 20A. Page 20A, that is the type
28.
copy. P20.
Okay, A.
A, capital A.
Page 19, 20, 21. There is no 20A here.
20A, after 21. These are type copies.
Okay.
So these were the list. There were 15 numbers of SSC school on sanction list of sanctioned posts under Mahendraganj CSC at the time of appointment. So there were 15 numbers of SS school. Out of these 15 numbers of school, my school was initially at serial number 2.
Konarghati.
Serial number 2.
Yes.
Konarghati.
Your name is not shown.
Yes. What has happened that the name of respondent number 9 has been shown in place of my name. I was not appointed.
So this list
I was not appointed.
does not contain your name.
In my place, respondent number 6, 7, respondent number 9.
No, but then your name is not here.
My name is.
See, respondent number
In fact-
7 has not come to picture till
Yes,
now. We'll
till
just go. As you progress,
Yes.
as you place the facts, then
Yes.
we'll go. Now,
So I'm aggrieved by this.
so, okay, being agreed by
Being
this, then what
aggrieved by
happened?
this, I had filed a complaint before respondent number
Just
4.
minute. This is what is surprising is that this is a information with regard to the teachers in sanction post of 2009 and 2010.
Yes.
Now this information is provided to you in 2016, and you may lodge an objection only in 2016.
In fact,
How can it be?
Yeah.
After 10 years.
so this, my name was not. After that, I filed.
No, but then how could it be? See, after 6 years, your name will be included there. Even if it is genuinely omitted, you should have been very surprising. Very
And-
surprising. Now, your inclusion will be backdated inclusion.
Your my lord, so far my name is concerned, my name ought to have been there, but the name is there. Of course, there's a delay.
But then you should
There's a
have, if
delay.
you find that that was
Yeah.
done wrongly,
That was done wrong.
you should have challenged it then and there. You do it only after 2016.
There is a delay.
Then
That's
a delay, means there is a
and-
fatal delay.
And then,
You lose all your claims.
in fact, yes, and that was the only.
You say yes, then
No, my
then why you're giving trouble to the court? You
No,
just
no,
say
in
you
fact-
have no case.
In fact, the only thing is that my only submission is that since I've been working there now for the last 6 years, my prayer is that I want that I should be transferred back to my original school, and there is an order also by the, after I filed my
Who
complaint.
passed the order?
This order was passed by this is at page 23. I'll just come to.
Yes.
Understand? If I may be allowed to read. That was passed by respondent number 4, District Joint Commissioner, to the Secretary, Gunarghati, where I was appointed originally. With reference to the subject above, the undersigned is pleased to inform you that the school managing committee, Gunarghati School, has to join Salim Khan immediately, otherwise the under.
What is this language? Very
That's
difficult to
what- very-
understand.
very- It is
How this officer writes this letter, on what basis?
This officer writes
Yes,
is this.
Mr. Hajarika, what kind of thing is this?
Yes, my
Your
lord.
officers can write whatever they want.
Yes, my
And you
lord,
do not
it
take any
seems-
action. Do not take any action against these officers, isn't it?
It seems, my lord. Because
No, very casually you say it seems, as if these are you say nothing. You say like
yes, reinstate order, my lord.
what is this reinstated order? Then with reference to the subject cited above, the undersigned is pleased to inform you that the so and so of managing committee school has to join so and so immediately. Otherwise, the undersigned will take stern action against the school managing committee.
And-
Now, what stern action was taken?
No action was taken?
No.
Then further it is written, Sri Jainal Abidin has to be transferred to the school of Malidas Para, where he was originally appointed.
On what basis? How he'll be transferred? If there is no transfer policy, it's not a government school.
This is
And
an
this letter apparently has no validity. Who is these officers? Why don't you call these officers and why don't you take action against those officers?
Yes, my lord.
It appears that these officers are managed and they go on passing this kind of orders.
No, there is some problem during that relevant period of time. It was under this West Garuhil district. Later on, it is separated, so it is communication. Yes, my
Mr.
lord.
Hajarika, the department remains, the official remains.
Yes, yes.
Only
Yes.
thing is that you are reluctant to see which way the department functions.
Yes, it is there.
Mr. Khan, it will be very difficult for you to establish a case, and this court is not at all convinced. More you are showing, more these things are going against you. Not at all.
So it is.
This
yeah.
basically,
It is
this
basis
kind of
on-
orders,
Yes.
I do not know under what authority this officer uses.
So it is relying on this order. The order was passed for me to reinstate back in my original school. And then thereafter, directing the secretary, that is point number 7.
This
Now-
officer is still in service. Is he in service still now?
I
This
have no
GRK
idea, my lord.
Sangma?
I have no idea, my lord. The state has got no idea regarding that.
Any comments?
And moreover, from the first school, he was already terminated. And he gone to that school.
No, forget about termination.
Yeah,
and all. We
yes.
are not going into it.
I have no idea.
We do not know what is the basis of this issuance of this lottery. It means if a officer wants to, you see,
No,
appoint somebody
no,
to
see-
transfer somebody, he should do it, and he should issue it with along with a word of warning that you do it, otherwise you face action. What kind of government official is this?
This is so there, my lord. And moreover,
If he's there, let him come and.
moreover, his post was
This is not making out a case for you.
That's right. And then thereafter, on the basis of this letter,
I don't know what is happening.
direction was issued.
This number 25 is.
Hmm.
Wait, there is no supply or what? It's there. The other day also I told you. Give me. You have a uphill task, Mr. Khan. So after this letter was issued, then what happened?
After this letter was issued, then letter issued to the respondent number 7, that is Kunar Hati School. At page, if you all, my lord, can come to page 24.
24.
Yes.
Who issued the letter?
This letter, of course, was issued by respondent number 4 to the respondent number 7, who is the secretary of the Kunar Hati School. Then, thereafter, what happened?
That is written by the school managing committee.
Yes.
That means Mr. Chanda to the district mission committee seeking recalling of that order.
Yeah. No, so the order that was passed, order dated 5/8/2016 by respondent number 4 to the secretary respondent number 7 for reinstatement of Salim Khan and for transfer of Jainal Abedin back to from the school of transfer.
Now one
to
illegal
Mali
action
Gaspar. Yes.
is responded with another illegal.
Now, in response to this, the managing committee, secretary managing committee,
He says that he was.
he says that he has been terminated from his job because there was some allegation against him. So, and in his place, Jainal Abedin, that is, was appointed as so and so.
Then what happened to this resolution?
Then thereafter, after that, there was, if I come straight to page 29, because others are, in fact, if you come to page 26A, this is 26A. The letter was issued by respondent number 3 to the convener cum ex officio members regarding the status of the teachers in the different schools. Now, one of the issue was that at para 4 here, that the termination of Salim Khan was done without proper procedure and approval. I was not given any show cause.
When your appointment itself was not regular, what is the question of terminating you?
The thing is that after 59 days, I was never terminated, and I was allowed to continue. And my transfer basically was there. There was some misbehavior allegation.
Show us your order of transfer.
But it was verbally.
There cannot be verbal transfer in service.
And
Can there be verbal transfer in service?
And that was the reason
Can there be a verbal transfer in service?
In fact, there cannot be. But rightly or wrongly, I was sent to Mali Gaspar, and I had been working there for the last more than 5 years as a teacher there. And then after that, when the termination letter was there, as per the paragraph 4 here, it says that my termination was without proper procedure and
Whether
approval.
the managing committee of the other school is a party here?
In fact,
in this.
No, my lord. In fact, petitioner has on the earlier occasion directed the respondent school to be deleted from the area of parties.
Who directed?
But petitioner themselves. The order is there, my lord, to that effect. In
The
fact, on
petitioner
last-
wanted it. They themselves.
They themselves.
They
And
cannot
they-
issue direction to himself, isn't it?
Lordship.
Okay. So, on the request of the petitioner, he was initially made a party.
Initially they were
Then
party.
subsequently you have deleted. Why? Why you have struck off? Now there seems to be a very proper party, if not necessary. You may not have any prayer against them, but then so far as your service to their school is concerned, that has to be supported by them, has to be proved by them.
Lordship, this was pointed out on the last occasion, and this is why order dated 6/6/22, Lordship.
We do not know which way things are going. See, very difficult. Okay, you say necessary party. It's all right. Then we will just dismiss your case for non-joinder of this. Because their participation appears to be vital.
In fact, I was dismissed by the.
It's your choice, whatever. Yes, proceed.
And then, and so far the appointment of respondent 9 is concerned, his appointment is also kept under status quo. He is not under sanction, status quo.
Whose appointment?
Respondent number 9.
You establish your right first.
Yeah,
You will go to respondent number
Right.
7.
Okay. Then thereafter, my lord, if my lord comes to page 29, there was a.
Now, this what happened to after page 26A? What happened?
Yes, this so far 26. This in this 26A at para 4 transfer regarding my transfer the regarding this reflects regarding status of different schools. So far my transfer is concerned, they have termination is concerned. They have stated in para 4 that transfer of so and so and termination of Salim Khan by the school managing committee, Konarghati SSA school, without proper procedure and approval. It was done without proper procedure and approval.
So, then what happened?
And pursuant to this, then thereafter, these are of course the other pages are related to these.
So, was there any direction to you to take back Salim Khan?
Yes.
Where is that?
That.
No, after this 1/8/2016.
Yes.
After this 26A.
Yes.
What order was passed with the government then?
Then, after that there was an spot inquiry. If my lord can come to page 29.
What was the need for spot inquiry?
To inquire as to how he has been terminated without approval.
No, but then already this communication says he was not properly terminated. Then?
So far, letter was issued by respondent number 5 to the respondent number 7. Spot inquiry of Konarghati Upper School. With reference to the subject side of it is to inform that spot inquiry was of Konarghati SS School regarding revocation order.
What is that revocation?
That is revocation order of reinstatement.
What is that?
Reinstatement. He was. That is at. That this refers to page. This refers to annexure 9, where he was directed by the respondent number 4 for reinstatement. Otherwise, stern action would be taken.
No, but then it speaks about revocation. What is the reinstatement?
Yeah.
What is the revocation of which order?
In fact, that has been wrongly mentioned. It should have been revocation of the reinstatement. Revocation order of Salim Khan so and so.
For understanding the order, we have to apply our assumption.
That's what.
Yes, Mr. Hazarika, what is this order about?
This.
It appears to be your order.
Page number 29.
Yes.
What is to be this? Which is revocation of what?
Residence. No, because he has applied, he has filed an application for revocation of this order, for terminating for this order. So,
revocation of which termination order?
No, revocation.
He has not applied for any revocation.
No, not termination. Revocation order, which is done by the managing committee. In page number.
That says
It's very confusing. You see, like
that
this,
speaks about termination.
It's very difficult to link these facts. This court has a fear that whether these letters pertain to one single fact or not. There is an order by government official reinstate him.
Yes.
Then thereafter again, where is the question of conducting an inquiry for revocation of which order? Is it the reinstatement order or revocation of reinstatement order?
No, my lord. That is prayer to look after the matter. Reinstatement order.
Then what happened, Mr.
Then thereafter inquiry was conducted on the 18th October. That is at page 31. Page 31. Inquiry was conducted
Now, have you seen? See the letter. This 29. It is dated 28/10. An inquiry is also held on same day. Or 18/10.
18.
Inquiry is also held on same day.
1810
18/10. The same day issuance of the letter, same day inquiry.
inquiry.
So, what was the
No,
purpose
sir.
of issuing the letter?
No, Mala, the inquiry was conducted on 19th at page 31, not on the same day. Inquiry was conducted regarding revocation.
But then
Or
this letter says it will be on 18.
it will be done. In school will
It appears this education department is in a mess.
And the first inquiry report speaks that
Where is the inquiry report? And what is this page 30?
Mala, this refers to that there was an internal communication by respondent number 3 to respondent number 4 regarding the matter relating to Salim Khan. So, in pursuance of the inquiry report dated 1/11, that was submitted by the respondent number 5 block who conducted inquiry, and to be considered to reinstatement. To be considered, this is the report. To be considered to reinstatement in the first appointment, you are hereby requested to look into the matter. So, to be considered.
First appointment was for 59 days.
That's what.
So, where is the question for reinstating him there?
The question for, and there was never no letter that your to 59 days has been completed, your service has been terminated. I was allowed to continue.
59 days, after 59 days, there is no termination order needed.
No.
It is deemed you are automatically gone.
But I was.
After your continuation, if any,
yes,
though nothing is shown here.
Nothing is shown.
Okay. Now that becomes a question.
Yes.
It is under what authority? And in what capacity?
But still I was allowed to continue.
Okay. That is what you say. See, you are in a writ court. Whatever you say, you have to establish
Based on
the
record.
basis of the evidence which you, the documentary evidence which you.
So I'm relying on those.
Yes. Okay. Now this court fails to understand that when it is the same state authority who engages you for 59 days, how they again pass some order seeking your reinstatement into the original post, that is also beyond 59 days. How can you?
And there was no letter in fact by any asking me that your 59 days contract has been over, nor any letter was there that it has been renewed. So it has deemed renewed.
Is it not a case that there should be some sort of enquiry in this kind of activities? And something must be done. Something must be done.
So inquiry was conducted. In the inquiry report states that in view of this finding, Salim Khan, now working as assistant teacher Malidas Para, may be considered to reinstate in his first appointment. The inquiry reports.
There is no question. First appointment has expired. Something is dead. Where is the question of making it alive?
But then how I was allowed to continue?
No, there is no question. It says about your first appointment. First appointment refers to 59 days.
Yeah.
Now that 59 days is over. How can you be put back there?
But again, the government has said that
this letter, we do not know what meanings it carries. You are appointed for a particular tenure. You complete that tenure. Then how come? Can the tenure be revived again?
And again, Malat, the managing.
Answer the question. You are diverting. You are not replying.
Malat.
What implication this letter has?
Malat, this.
What it would mean in law? What significance it will have in service law? Just tell us.
Well, so far service law is concerned, well, it will definitely have a different significance. But
what is the different significance? Just tell us. Your first place of appointment is that. So your first appointment is gone. It was for fixed period.
And again, managing committee also has in its affidavit said I'm appointed for 1 year. I'm appointed for 1 year.
Managing committee is no authority to appoint under SSA. Are they?
Yeah, but they have stated that I have been appointed. Managing committee has been appointed. I have been appointed by the managing committee. In their affidavit, they have stated my appointment is for 1 year. And at the same time, they have said that My appointment is for 59 days. This is how can there be two orders for one appointment? These queries were also pointed out by the court on the last
See,
occasion.
it is your appointment.
My lord.
If you claim that you were there, it is for you to show that you were appointed somewhere, right, fully, in accordance with law, and you have a right to continue there. Now you have to establish the case. Now, just by creating some confusion by referring to this letter here and there, you cannot make out.
No, my lord, I'm
till
just.
now, this
referring.
court has not got any proof as to your continuation in the service and the legality there.
No, my continuation is based on the orders passed by the respondents, but they have passed the order that I may be reinstated, and then subsequently.
See, you may be reinstated doesn't show that you are continuing. Just show where is you show your salary slip, show you that you have been paid salary for all this.
No, I am getting a considerable amount.
Apart from that, you have chosen to struck off respondent number 8.
Because
the party you could have supported your contention, or maybe have given us the vital information about this. If at all this party was not a necessary party, is a very proper party. The participation of whom is needed for proper adjudication of a matter.
Because basically my grievances was against the respondent number 7 managing committee who had terminated me without.
It's all right, no problem. Then what happens? Just tell us.
Then thereafter, after the first inquiry was in my favor, asking that I may be
Where is the inquiry report?
That is at page 31.
Page 31?
Yeah, type copy.
Yes.
Last paragraph.
So this letter was issued
Yes.
in accordance with this
Yes.
inquiry report.
Yes.
Which says that you
Working presently, and since I'm working in Malidara.
now you say
maybe
you are working there as assistant teacher at Malidas Para.
Yes. Maybe
Now, admittedly, both these schools are not government schools. So is there any provision of transfer?
Well, that so far there is, in fact, there is no such statutory provision for transfer, but the inquiry report reveals that I should be reinstated in the first place of appointment. And then thereafter, if my lord comes to page 32,
This court is not getting head and tail of the case. Page 32, yes?
yes, letter issued by respondent number 4, that is to the respondent number 7, subject reinstatement, with reference to the subject cited above in pursuance of the inquiry report dated 1/11/2016 submitted by the B Block Mission Coordinator Zigzag Block under the undersigned hereby directs to reinstate Salim Khan as assistant teacher in Kunar Ghati SSA UP School as sanctioned post at a fixed pay of 990.
Yes.
At a sanctioned post. At a sanctioned post.
Then?
With effect from
Then what
14/12.
happens? Then what happens?
Then I went to join. I was not allowed to join. That is, I was not allowed to join.
Yes.
I was not allowed to join. Then there was a second inquiry conducted. Then there was a second inquiry conducted.
Why second inquiry?
Second inquiry to give, that second inquiry was basically was for, so far the second inquiry concerned, that was regarded that the first inquiry, there was some anomaly it seems. So second inquiry was conducted. And in the second inquiry, that was conducted by the same officer, and it was contrary. They were contrary, and that they are also admitted. They are contrary. The report was contrary. So the first inquiry was in my favor that I should be reinstated, and the second inquiry said that no, there was some allegations against me in the first school where I was teaching regarding misbehavior and all. So based on that,
Where is the second inquiry?
yes, 41. That's if the last paragraph is
page 41.
yes.
Yes.
While viewing the present situation as per statement of, this is of course another, my case is just after 2 lines, the objection against reinstatement of Shri Salim Khan at Konarghati SA School, White Order so and so, dated 14/12/16, received from Konarghati SA School, was found to be correct. Moreover, as many as from students and as well as parents, guardians side, that Salim Khan was terminated from school due to misbehavior, which school managing parents, guardians, and students and strongly opposed the reason. So this was the ground basically.
So then what happens? So then where do you state?
At present, my position is this, that I am still teaching in the Malidas Para school.
So you remain there?
Yeah. My only prayer is this, that I may be taken back in the first school where I was, and I have also challenged
Unless you show us that you have a right to continue beyond 59 days, and that there exists a policy of transfer.
Yeah. So far, policy is concerned.
We cannot grant you relief which is not provided in writing.
But so far, 59 days is concerned. Basically, there was no letter to that effect.
See,
terminating I was allowed to continue.
Very surprising is that when this last inquiry report is against you, you are continuing in some school. Now that is what is very surprising. You show us the law that you can be in a non-government school where there is no transfer policy, there is no transfer basically, you can be transferred and retransferred back. Just show us.
In fact, so far that is concerned, last time the government also said that there is no such policy. So I was formally transferred.
So then in such
because of this behavior.
Which way you expect this court to pass some order which is otherwise not permissible?
So my lord, based on these facts, I basically pray that so far the inquiry is concerned, they are contradictory, that may be quashed. So far inquiry is concerned, and if the court can pass such an order for
please before us the facts, nothing else.
My lord,
give us some reason for why we should interfere with. All along, what has happened? Probably everything is not correct. Okay, probably it has not been done in the way it should have been done. But then so what is your prayer before this court is concerned? You support it by law. You just say that you have been appointed properly. You have a right to continue where. See,
since there was
only because there are some communication which temporarily help you.
Basically,
subsequently again should interfere.
Basically, because my contention is that basically because of these administrative orders that was passed for allowing me to be reinstated, and subsequently I was that order was also not complied with. So
all this order goes with the last inquiry report.
So, but the fact remains that the inquiry was conducted by the same officer. First was in my favor, and the second was against me. So they are contradictory.
So
it is conducted by the same officer.
So give us some law that there cannot be some contradiction.
How can this?
If you say that it cannot be contradicted, or that contradiction is not valid in law, then show us that the inquiry conducted by same officer One results in your
Yes.
favor, the other against you.
Yes, basically,
The second one will have no bearing. Just
yes, basically the inquiry was conducted on the same facts of. There was no such new. It was conducted basically on same facts. And the first inquiry was that the report was that no proper procedure was followed in my termination, and the second was related to that it was done. My termination was done correctly because there was misbehavior. That was the ground. So they are contradicting.
now, can you show us that even after the completion of that 59 days from your first initial, you have been paid the same salary which you were receiving during that 59 days?
In fact, so far that is concerned.
Because the facts which you have brought in the writ petition, it itself is contradictory.
No, I'm just
We
relying.
cannot know. We cannot make out what had in fact happened. There is no order, specific order, by which you were transferred. You are relying on a certificate issued by one school managing committee, who was a party initially here in the case, and you have struck. And this certificate also doesn't say so that you see you are serving in that. It is only because of the letterhead you are trying to say that you are serving there.
No, in fact, I am serving in that school for the last more than 5 years. I am serving in the Malidal.
Now, if you are serving there, then you serve there.
No.
What is the purpose then?
Maharaj, in that case, then the court can pass necessary order because I have made my submission based on the records.
No, you have placed the facts only, nothing else.
Maharaj.
Nothing else. But then, so far as the legality of your claim is concerned, there is nothing. Neither there is anything you have placed before the court as per the terms of the scheme. What should be the norms and procedure for appointment under SSS scheme? And what rights and duties they will have? There is nothing. You have only pointed out to the annexures of the petition, nothing else. And your simple submission is that since there is order of reinstatement and there was an inquiry in your favor and subsequently it is interfered, you have a right to it. Yes, Mr. State. Just how you will reply all those documents? How you will justify those communications?
Communication is happened, my lord. In the first inquiry, they are giving the view that.
He just tell us what about his claim, his appointment.
No, his claim.
Appointment beyond 59 days. What is your take on that?
No, he has
you are
got,
the appointing authority.
No, this SSA management committee of the SSA school is the appointing authority, and the state joint district mission coordinator or district mission coordinator.
You are representing them, isn't it?
Is approval authority only, my lord. And in the case of the petitioner, my lord, he has admitted that he was 1 year in that Kunarghati school. After that, he gone to the Malidashpara school office.
This is what his contention is.
No, yes.
We want to know your version.
No. As they are claiming that there is a transfer, as per our version, not version, that is legally I am telling that there is no procedure for transfer a teacher.
We are saying that what has happened, factual aspect. Do not go to the jump to the law just now.
Yes.
What you are saying, as per your version of the fact, are you denying that he was initially appointed under the SSA for 59 days? Are you denying that?
No.
You are not denying?
No.
Then just tell us what happened to his appointment after the lapse of that 59 days.
Yes. After that, they have committee has issued another letter, my lord.
Where is that letter?
The letter is there.
On which date it was issued?
Yes. It is in SSA. It is there, my lord, in page number 14, my lord.
Of?
Page number 14, Annexure 1.
Of the writ petition.
Yes, my lord.
This is 1st April 2010.
Yes. Then first one, another one is there, my lord. In
No,
the
but
page,
then 15 comes after this.
it is 15.
Yes.
After 15, it has issued on
15 is for 59 days. Then
59 days, my lord.
yes. Then
They have issued another one.
Where is that?
Appointment letter in page number 40.
Okay.
Managing committee, my lord.
Page number 14 is before or after?
15/4/2010, my lord. 15/4/2010.
15 and 14 is the same times. Basically,
yes,
it commences from 1st April 2010. So far as the appointment is concerned.
yes,
So these are not two different orders.
yes. That is why issued by the management.
This 14 stood clarified by 15.
Yes.
Then this court is asking you, so far as your government record is concerned, what is the status of appointment of the petitioner after these 59 days?
There is no status, my lord.
How can it be?
Because
how can it be? Then how could you pass this order for his reinstatement and all?
there is no specific order in my position, my lord.
It seems you are not well instructed. Have you filed an affidavit?
Yes, my lord.
What your affidavit says, whether your affidavit has explanation for those period?
I will come to the page number in my affidavit.
Just tell us, you do not have to.
That with regard to statement made in paragraph 5 of the writ petition, the deponent begged to state that according to the petitioner, he was appointed in Kumarghati school, served in the school for about a year, and then verbal order of the cluster research center of the area left the school and joined another school, that is Malidashpara B SSA school. It is also begged to submit that such switching of school without any speaking order is not allowed, and it is also absurd and not sustainable in law, and there is no provision of SSA teacher to transfer from one school to another school. The earliest issuance of the certificate by the concerned headmaster of Malidashpara B UP school, Annexure 6 of the writ petition pertaining to joining service without any official order has no force of law, and the concerned officer has no role in this regard. It is the internal matter of the petitioner and the concerned headmaster. It is further stated that whether the petitioner actually joined the school and had continued his service, if it is so, why the petitioner desired to join the school where he was initially appointed, as pay, salary are the same, and it is not clear whether he resigned from the post or left the school on his own, my lord. Next paragraph, my lord. The deponent.
You will be only reading out your affidavit. And
Yes.
this court can also read it out without any resistance.
Yes, my lord.
You just say something what would be relevant. It is just say on what basis those letters which were issued by your officers much after his appointment in 2016
Yes, my lord.
that reinstate him.
Yes.
These are, if your contention in the affidavit is that his transfer, arrest transfer and all, these are basically an affair between the headmaster of the schools, and
Yes.
you have no role there, then tell us on what is the basis these letters were issued.
Yes,
Are you saying that these letters are not issued by you, your officers?
No, yes, it is issued.
Then what is the basis?
It has been issued, I think, my lord, not in proper way. Yes, my lord.
See, you cannot say, Mr. Hazarika. One thing is that, just mind it that you are standing as a lawyer. So far as the fact is concerned, your department will know it, you are not there. You have to place it here.
Yes.
Now the question of the court is that, what is the basis of issuing of those letters? And if your submission is that these letters are not issued properly, then the question will come, what action you have taken against those officers if these letters were not issued properly and in exercise of proper authority?
Yes, it is there, my lord.
The answer is not there. What then that has to we must know that. You cannot issue some order
No, I understand,
Disown
my
is
lord.
just for the purpose of getting a favor in the hearing,
Yes.
without showing that you are really acting seriously in your department.
Yes, it is there, my lord. It is there. Now I will come to the page number 26A, my lord, of writ petition.
Yes.
Here the representation they are submitting to the concerned officer.
No, this is not representation. This is a reference to the representation.
Yes. Status of the teachers written to this thing. So
This is, reference is this thing, the status
Yeah.
of teachers.
after that only they have make an inquiry.
See, probably
Now actually they supposed to the government official should not issue all this inquiry report or the letters, but they have issued by wrongly or rightly, my lord. But in fact the petitioner has got no right to coming back to this original school officer.
see
And
is
the
que-
two
but then your own communication says that he should be reinstated where?
No, may be considered, my lord, in the first inquiry report by the managing committee, and the second inquiry in page number 41.
Why inquiry is held when his appointment expired after
Yes,
59 days?
that is
when there is apparently no continuation by you, then
Yes.
where is the question of holding inquiry?
Yes, my lord, because it may be, my lord, according to
Maybe is no submission report.
He is already in another school, my lord, in the Malidashpara school, continuing his service there.
How do you say he is in the Malidashpara school?
No,
It is
because
just because he asserts it, or that is your contention in the affidavit also.
Yeah.
Do you say it? Let us see your affidavit. You will not say anything which is not borne by affidavit, at least over the facts is concerned.
I am coming to para 7, page number 6 of my affidavit, my lord. That the
Affidavit in opposition filed by Resolution number 2.
Yes, affidavit in
Your
opposition.
affidavit is Resolution number 2, isn't it?
Huh?
Your affidavit is filed by Resolution number 2, isn't it?
Yes, yes. Coming 7, page
para 7.
Para 7, my lord. That the statement made in para
Mr. Khan, you sit down, please. Why you are standing?
14 to 20 of the writ petition is hereby denied. However, the deponent beg to state that for termination of a teacher, there is a mandatory provision of law which must be followed, such as issuance of show cause notice, afford opportunity of being heard, and approval of the resolution adopted by the managing.
No, it is not there. Where is the question of termination?
I am coming to next page, my lord. The school regarding the termination of the teacher by the competent authority. The deponent further beg to state that inquiry report of the block mission coordinator, in short BMC, contradicting itself, and moreover inquiry report has no relevancy or consequence as the petitioner himself switched off from the school to another school in an illegal manner without any approval or order from the competent authority. Next, it is further back to state that accordingly the petitioner was appointed by the managing committee of Punarghati School White letter dated 1/4/10 on contextual basis in the and left the school after serving for a period of 1 year, then joined the Malidashpara school on his own or on the Alice verbal order of Cluster Resource Center of the area, and on the other hand, the managing committee of Punarghati SSAUP school stated that petitioner was terminated from his post, and if it is so, why the petitioner has not been challenged the Alice termination order?
So,
Alice termination order, the petitioner.
now his continuation in that school for 1 year on what basis? Beyond that 59 days?
Yes, it may be.
You again say maybe, see.
No, it is the.
We are not to, see, this is.
No, 59 days is issued by the school managing committee.
No. It is issued by you, mission coordinator.
No.
Joint mission coordinator.
No. Yes, that coordinator is his counter signature by the managing committee.
So once you sign, do you owe responsibility or not?
Yes, we have signed for 59 days.
So then?
After that,
Then you say in your affidavit that he continued in 1 year?
because as per the statement given by the school authority managing committee.
Where is that statement given?
It is there, my lord. That is managing.
You are saying in your affidavit that your officer has shown it, not the managing committee. Now, will the officer speak from his personal knowledge or on the basis of the materials on record? You do not know which way you are going, or you will be ending up your officers in trouble. Then. This is very surprising. Now, you yourself say that he has left the school after serving for a period of 1 year. Now, this court is interested to know, after 59 days, how he continues there for 1 year. Yes. And in what capacity?
It is this management managing committee has keep him in the school, my lord.
Where is that? Where is that? On what basis you say it?
Because
on what basis you say it? This is very important for this court to know the status of the petitioner as a teacher after completion of 59 days.
Now, after 59 days, my lord, this management committee of Punarghati in page number 14 of writ petition, my lord. Appointment letter, my lord.
14?
Annexure 1, page number 14, 1-4.
Yes.
As directed by the resolution of MC of Punarghati SSA UP graded is up UP school dated 15 April 2010, he is hereby appointed as a language assistant teacher in this school. You are hereby asked to join assignment.
What you are trying to point out?
No, I am pointing out that after 59 days, my lord.
So 59 days started from when? What reference it has to do with 59 days?
Yes.
You please read the file properly and then you please come.
Yes.
You do not know, probably you...
1st April, that is...
If you want, you can read in the break. We'll come back after the break or whatever you want. You have to take... And if you want some more instruction, please have it. Do not confuse the court. This court has...
Yes. I understood, my lord. Because 59 days after that...
So you are referring to a letter which comes before 59
after
days.
59 days, if it is that the committee can...
So if you are understood, then why you are referring to the initial appointment order then? Where there is nothing.
I am sorry.
Kindly take instruction with regard to those things. Have proper instructions. Call your officers if it is needed to clarify those.
Okay, my lord. After that, on what basis he is continue in the 1 year? I will write, my lord, then it will come. And moreover, my lord, the petitioner has got to...
Take something. We will not say that petitioner has made out a case, but then only your subsequent communications.
Yes, sir. That is there, my lord. I have realized, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Chando, you have replied to all those things. How those subsequent letters came to be issued for reinstatement and all. You have any knowledge about that thing, whether managing committee is aware of those things? And what would be the state of the managing committee so far as the continuation of the petitioner beyond 59 days is concerned?
Lordship, so far as the continuation of the petitioner, Lordship, my instruction is that he was there in the school for 1 year, Lordship.
On what basis?
On contractual basis, Lordship.
Huh?
On contractual basis.
Where is how do you say on contractual basis?
Lordship, because initially his appointment was on temporary contractual basis, Lordship. And it was not made permanent or anything, Lordship. And it was as fourth teacher.
So 59 days is gone.
Lordship,
Now thereafter, if you say this contractual basis, there is nothing, no document on record to show that. Anyway, we'll just look for more instruction from Mr. Hazarika, at least to clarify on that aspect, because there are statements by his officer in the affidavit. And if the government official files an affidavit stating factual aspect, then he must verify it. When you are a seasoned man, you understand, you have a long standing in the bar, so you understand what will be the consequence.
It is there, my lord. I realize it.
Just
but
hard.
But,
Well, if I may just interfere, just one or two words. So far, the important questions query had come up regarding that when there is no such provision for transfer in the private schools. So, if that be so, I may be transferred back if there is no provision. If there is no provision, I may be transferred back.
See,
There's a
Mr. Your question of your continuation.
Yes.
That is the main thing.
Yes, they have to
The
justify.
question of transferring
Yes,
and re-transferring doesn't come until and unless it is shown that your continuation was proper and your transfer was proper.
So let them
or
reply.
at least done at the
Yes.
instance of the authority concerned. You can do one thing, Mr. Kindly you can make a note.
I'll definitely.
note
But
of
at the same time,
so that next day when it takes up, we do not lose the track.
Okay, we don't do track. Specifically, court has asked certain queries that can be taken note of, so that again, and I can.
No, matter maybe come up after 2 weeks, my lord, because I have received some instruction. I didn't go through it.
Please, you see, you may not have said everything in your affidavit.
Yes.
But then, see if your record, if there are certain things which can be clarified by documentary proof,
Yes.
you can place it before the court and we will see if there is the requirement of bringing it on record by affidavit.
Some instruction is
Just
come.
heard learned counsel, then by the party that submit. It appears that the learned GA requires some more instruction to reply to the queries. As to the continuation of the petitioner in service beyond 59 days of his initial appointment is concerned. The transfer of the petitioner from the original from his original place of appointment to some other school also requires clarification, as it is admitted at the bar that there exists no policy of transfers of school teacher in so far as non-government schools are concerned.
Yes.
What else?
Yes, sir.
No, that, but then other aspects.
But
also. And then subsequent issuance of those things.
Yes.
Or those letter of reinstatement.
Yes. On what basis they have passed this?
Those also we need clarification. Your affidavit is non-specific about those.
All not clear.
You say that there is a provision for termination, that it has to be inquiry, there has to be all those things.
No.
But then what about these issues of reinstatement? You have not said anything about that.
Yes, it is there.
The learned counsel shall also, the learned government advocate shall also obtain instruction as to under what circumstances the order of reinstatement of the petitioner as to order of reinstated of the petitioner dated. What is the date, Mr. Khan?
That is.
There are more than one order,
6.
isn't it?
Yes.
Or there is only one order.
One order.
Okay. Dated 5/8/2006.
5/8/2006.
Was by the Joint District Mission Coordinator. So the above instructions, the necessary instruction. What do you say? Just say. Such and such and then come below. Okay. The judge just say stop such instruction. Or just stop the above instruction. Shall be obtained by the learned GA before the next date of hearing. Stop. Paragraph S straightforward. This is matter after 2 weeks. Please see, help the court. You see, this is something very haphazard.
Here, my lord, what happened that...
Mr. Khan's submission only speaks about those facts, which is very difficult to link.
Yes.
As to how long he continued in one school, and from which date to which he was transferred to other school, how long he continued, and when the question of termination had come. If he is continuing in some other school, then his termination from the original school does not arise.
Yes.
But then again, there are managing committee resolution which says that he has been terminated.
No,
because his behavior was not up to the mark or up to the expectation.
No, that thing happened. He is 2010. He joined in Malidaspara in 2011, my lord. After termination.
So that means that was the contractual appointment for 1 year doesn't stand then.
Yes.
You have to say that his service was discontinued because of the termination. Which fact is correct? Please.
Well, this is confusion from the management also.
See, there cannot be two things. The managing committee's contention is that after that 59 days, he continued there for a period of 1 year.
Yeah.
On contractual basis.
Yes.
Now there is a resolution which says that he has been terminated.
Yes, that is from the management of the school, not us.
Kindly please try to this thing. Just jot down in one. You don't have to make a lengthy
I understand. Just gist of this synopsis.
Just to link the things, because these things are very haphazard, as you also understand.
Yes.